Hey everyone, my name is Caitlin. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my everyday makeup look. I've been doing this look so often lately, whether you want to just sit at home and do your makeup for a change, or you're meeting up with friends for dinner. This is the perfect look. It's super natural, but also just gives your eyes and face like an extra pop and glowiness. And yeah, I've just been loving it so much, so I wanted to share it with you. So let's get into the video. I'm gonna be going in and doing my eyebrows to start. So this is the NYX eyebrow mascara. I really love it because it fills in my eyebrows and holds them in place, and it's super easy to use. This one here. And now I'm going in with my concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. And I just put this on my eyelids to cover up any darkness that I may have. I feel like at first when I put it on, sometimes if I accidentally put a little too much on, it looks kind of white, but the rest of the makeup helps balance it out. Okay, so I'm watching this as I'm editing, and this looks really light, but I promise it looks a lot better in person and in the finished look. Alrighty, so now that I have all of my concealer on, I'm going in with my Bare Minerals Mineral Veil powder. One here. This is my absolute favorite powder. It's looks tinted in the container, but it's actually like translucent. It doesn't give any like color payoff on your skin, which is nice. I don't mind it, but some people want the color. But this does a really great job of keeping my skin like smooth and not oily throughout the day. Like my face literally does not get oily at all when I wear this. So I just first go ahead with my ring finger and put this on my eyelids where I did the concealer. And I use my ring finger, well first when you do concealer around your eyes and in my case powder, you want to use your ring finger because it's the most gentle finger. And yeah, I do this on like my eyelids. Like I know this is probably a little weird and a lot of people don't do this, but I've just found I really want to like lock in the concealer. I don't want it creasing it all throughout the day, and so this way I know it for sure won't crease. And then I just go in with a big fluffy brush. And put this all over my face. Alright. Now it's time for blush. I'm using this one right here by ColourPop. It's part of their Disney Princess collection they had. It's called Floating Lights. It's just like this pink blush. I really like it a lot. I've been using this literally every day since I got it. For my highlighter, I've been mixing these two right here. This is Cinderella one here is Horse and Carriage. It's a very like champagne light colored highlight. And then this one, Sleeping Beauty Aurora one here, called Coronation, has more of like a pinky, in real life it's like a pinky rose gold tone to it. That's showing up already. And I've been mixing these two because I had an old highlighter before that had a bit of a pink undertone to it, and I really liked how it looked on my skin, which is why I got this one. I wanted that one, and I really like it a lot. It's just sometimes I feel like it can be a little too dark. Like, I'm so fair, like, look at me. I have really pale skin, so the lighter one just balances it out, and sometimes the light highlight is very easy like to build up, like to be dramatic. So yeah, these two together work really well. So starting with my eyeshadow next, which is my favorite part of the entire look, I use this palette the most. It's the Golden State of Mind eyeshadow palette by ColourPop. I've had this for a couple years now, so I'm not quite sure if they still sell it, but if they do, I will link it down below. And if not, I'll find a palette you can get with some of the like similar shades. So for this, I honestly, you can see here, all of the shades here are very shimmery. So I've actually found, again, just using my finger, like this is the easiest. Oh yeah, okay. So I started off, that was the shade Unsupervised. This kind of light champagne color. And that's going all over the lid. And then for the crease, I'm switching palettes using this one here. This is Christmas in New York. It's by Too Faced. And I believe this was a limited edition one, so I don't believe this is sold either. But the colors in it are in like so many eyeshadow palettes today. You can definitely find some similar colors. And I'm just going with a little crease blending brush, like this one. Gotta wash it. And I'm taking a Dolce Lashes, can't say that. That one right there. With Tiramisu right down there. I just combine these together, and I start on the outer corner of my lid, bring it up to the crease. Oh, and I just realized, so I live in New York City, and it might be kind of loud outside. Hopefully you can hear me all right and it's not too distracting, like to me right now. Like, it's just, I don't know, I'm used to it. It's just kind of a normal noise. It doesn't seem overly loud, so I hope it's not too loud for the video. I just do that to add a little definition in my crease. Then I'm going to go back to this palette here. Okay, I'm taking the shade Wing Woman, this one right here. It's like a medium brown with a little bit of gold in it color. And I'm just kind of lightly putting this on the outer corner of my eye. I'm bringing it slightly up to the crease. I know a lot of people say don't use shimmer in your crease, but I just do sometimes, because why not? And the next step, I think, just pulls the entire look together. I am going in with Sparkler. Right here, it's like a coppery, like amber orangey shade, which is shimmery as well. Taking that on the ring finger, and I'm just putting this kind of going from the center of my lid outward and just blending that all in. I think this adds lots of warmth to the look, which is something I really like to do for eyeshadow. This color, a copper color like this, is also really great if you have blue eyes. It'll help them pop even more. And now that I have most of my eyeshadow done, for my brow bone and inner corner, I'm going back in with my highlight. I think this just really works great with this particular look. And I'm just going to be applying this right under my eyebrow, adding a highlight up there. And also putting a shimmery color in your inner corner like this really just helps open the eye and make it pop. Like, look at the difference. It looks so much brighter. So that is actually a trick. I guess it's not a trick. A lot of people know that if you're into makeup. But I watched Bethany Moda all the time when I was in high school. And like early on in college too. So yeah, that's what I learned from her. Ooh, I forgot. Highlight, Cupid's bow, and nose. Cool. We're almost done with the makeup. But next I'm doing my lashes, which is one of my favorite parts. I love having just like long, dark, like voluminous lashes, you know? And my trick for doing that is this CoverGirl primer. It's the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Primer. You just put this on before your mascara. I'll actually show you. So, it's a whitish clear color. It doesn't really look like you're doing anything when you put it on, but trust me, you are changing your lashes. This stuff is amazing. It makes me look like I'm wearing false lashes when I'm really not. Like, I haven't worn false lashes in so long, mostly because of this product. And it's so easy. You can get it at the drugstore or Target. So after, you just have to wait like few seconds, a minute while it dries, and then I'm going in with this mascara right here. This is by Pacifica. It's their Dream Big 7-in-1 mascara. I did a review of this on my channel, so I will link that down below. But then I just go in and apply it. Like, look at the difference. Like, look at that. Like, primer with mascara before just primer, but still. It's such a huge difference, guys. And it's nice too because this doesn't clump at all. Okay, all good. I thought I got the mascara on my eyelid and I was like, no. Okay. Cool, we got our lashes done. And now I'm going in to finish off the look, my absolute favorite lipstick ever. This one here, in a little tube like this. This is by Revlon. It is shade 415, called Pink in the Afternoon. This is actually the exact, hold on, I can't do this while talking. So this lipstick is the exact lipstick Audrey Hepburn wore in Breakfast at Tiffany's. That is one of my favorite movies, and when I saw her wearing the lipstick in the movie, actually, I was like, wow, I need that color, I want to wear it. Looked up on like Google, YouTube to find out what lipstick it was, and I found in a YouTube video actually like what exact lipstick she was wearing. So obviously I found that out, went to like 5 different stores and finally found it in Ulta, and yeah, it's been my go-to for probably the last like 2, 3, definitely like almost 3 years, I'd have to say. And so yeah, this is just the perfect everyday pink nude color. So yeah, it just looks like this. Alright everyone, so this is my finished makeup look. I have kind of like a coppery, copper eye going on, very glowy. I love the pink lip. This is perfect for any occasion. Like, I wear this on an everyday basis. Wear it to work, wear it out with friends, wear it watching Netflix at home. This is just how I've been doing my makeup for the summer, and I wanted to share to see, I just think it's fun to share, so I just wanted to. And if you want to do your makeup like this too, or try your own variation of it, feel free. I would love to hear. If you did, you can let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching this entire video. If you're still here, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.